guy got up there. Snow fight.
It went all back to you.
Amigo. 1 4 3 amigo.
Yeah.
Okay, 3 amigo. See that rock right there, boo? Step on it.
Where?
Anan, step on it right there. There. There you go, fresh snow.
Throw it up, man.
Nice. You got that, mister.
Can I throw it at your camera?
Yes.
Can't see. Except I'm stuck. Oh, look at my hand. Look at my head.
You miss, Anan, you miss.
You have to get it.
Fresh snow, guy?
You want to see some fresh snow?
No.
No?
My phone! Why do you do that, man? Ow, my head. Can't see. Whee! Seems like you're having a lot of fun.
What are you doing out here, mister?
Listen to the sound of the water, very peaceful on a snowy day. It's not every day you got to experience this kind of tranquility. Look at this fresh snow. Look fresh, delicious. Icy cold. Fresh. Can't get any fresher than that.
I have not eaten for days.
Yeah, eat it. Move it. That's licking it. You gotta take a bite, a big chunk out of it. Yes.
Hungry.
Hungry hippo. Yep. Delicious, nice and fresh.
Nice and fresh.
Right, fresh off heaven. Yeah. Hungry? This gonna fill you up?
Yeah.
It's better now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tastes good.
Yep. Fresh?
Yeah.
Nice job, man. Building a snowman.
Don't hit it too much. You're gonna make it fall.
Yeah.
Stop.
I'm gonna drop my camera. Start to snow now. What you got? You turn snow into ice, man?
Yep.
No. Now you're a snow angel. You can't get Wuhan virus in the cold.
Yes, you
It's
can.
freeze.
Wuhan virus.
Nan, are you tired?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Tired from having too much fun?
Yep.
That's not good. Tired from having too much fun. Look at that boy face. Tired from having too much fun. Cute face.
I think you...
Come on, let's get 10 out of this. 10.
2,
Yes.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 10.
Nice.
Or your stomach. Alright.
Excellent blocking. On my back now.
Look, there's still pieces of it. It broke apart.
I know if it's getting cold.
I gotta put it back.
Throw it at him again.
No. Good thing I blocked with my hand. If I didn't block with my hand, oh my god, it would have really hurt.
How did you know, Dad? How did you know? Check your phone.
I know you guys trying to help me. Ow! Come on, come back. My hand's getting cold. The snow is here. It's getting cold now. Oh, cold. Somebody help me. It's cold. I'm like a Baldy. Like a Baldy. Hold on. I do something now. Don't be sad. You're on top of the mountain, man. On top of the mountain.
Yep.
Was it waterproof? If it's not, I'm in trouble. Okay.